Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about problems on missing frequency. In this class we are going to discuss problems on corrected mean. Let's start problem number 1, that is the mean of 40 observations was 160. It was found later that a value 125 was wrongly copied as 165 while computing the mean. Find corrected mean. So here given informations are like this. See here, so the mean of 40 observation was 160 in the sense there are number of observations are 40 and here arithmetic mean is 160. So we know that number of observation is, let's see the solution part. Okay, see here 40 is number of observations and 160 is mean. So here number of observation is denoted by small letter n. So here given informations are small letter n, that is 40. Next here mean is, that is 160. So mean is denoted by x bar. So here given information is 160. Next it was later found that a value 125 was wrongly copied as 165. So in the sense here wrong value is 165 and the correct value is 125. So next is given informations, wrong value and correct value. So here given wrong value is 165 and correct value is 125. In the sense here x bar also wrong value. So here mean also wrong. So these are the given information in the question. So here n is given, here n is 40 and wrong x bar is 160 and wrong value is 165 and correct value is 125. So next we need to do find corrected mean. See, to find corrected mean there are some steps are there. Let's see the step 1. Step 1 is we need to find wrong sum of observation. Wrong sum of the observation. So we know the formula to calculate arithmetic mean. See here we need to find wrong sum of the observation. See sum of the observation is denoted by summation x, that we already discussed, and to calculate arithmetic mean the formula is x bar is equal to summation x divided by small letter n. See here we need to find summation x and we know that wrong x bar, see here wrong x bar is 160. So in the place of x bar, so this is wrong x bar and here we need to find wrong sum of the observation. So this is wrong sum of the observation. See here wrong x bar is 160 is equal to wrong summation x that we need to find, therefore I will write as it is divided by small letter n. See here small letter n value is 40. So next I will do cross multiply like this, that is 160 into 40 is equal to wrong summation x. So that is 160 into 40 is 6400. So wrong summation x is, or wrong sum of the observation is 6400. Okay, this is step 1. Then step 2 is, See here, step 1 is find wrong sum of the observation, and step 2 is find correct sum of the observation. To find correct sum of the observation, the formula is, that is, correct sum of the observation is equal to wrong sum of the observation plus correct value minus wrong value. See, this is equal to, what is wrong sum of the observation? See here, wrong sum of the observation is 6400 plus correct value. See here, correct value is, that is given in the question. So correct value is 125. So here it is 125 minus wrong value. See here, wrong value is 165. So in the place of wrong value, we need to substitute 165. This is equal to 6400 plus 125 minus 165, that is 6360. So here correct summation x is 6360. Okay, this is step 2. Then step 3 is, so here we can find here we can find correct arithmetic mean or correct mean. So we know the formula of arithmetic mean. The formula is x bar is equal to summation x divided by small letter n. See here we need to find correct arithmetic mean. So in the question they given wrong arithmetic mean. So here x bar is equal to, what is correct x summation x? So correct summation x is 6360 divided by, what is small letter n? Small letter n is 40. So this is equal to 6360 divided by 40 is 159. So here corrected arithmetic mean is, that is 159. Corrected arithmetic mean is 159. Okay, next let's move to problem number 2, that is the arithmetic mean of 50 observations was 100. At the time of calculations, one value was wrongly taken as 100 instead of 180. Find correct mean. So here given informations are, so the arithmetic mean of 50 observations was 100. So here 50 is number of observations and 100 is arithmetic mean. So we know that number of observation is denoted by small letter n, that is small letter n. So here small letter n is 50. Then arithmetic mean, we know that arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar. So x bar is equal to, here given information is 100. Next, at the time of calculation, one value was wrongly taken as 100 instead of 180. See here 100 is wrong value, 180 is correct value. So next given information is wrong value and correct value. So here wrong value is 100 and correct value is 180. After that we need to find correct mean. Okay, to calculate correct mean, to find correct mean, there are some steps are there. Here step 1 is find wrong sum of the observation. Okay, to find wrong sum of the observation, we need arithmetic formula. So arithmetic mean formula is x bar is equal to summation x divided by small letter n. See here summation x in the sense that is sum of the observation. Here we need wrong sum of the observation. So this is wrong sum of the observation. So to find wrong sum of the observation, we need wrong arithmetic mean. So next, now I will substitute all the values under this formula. So here wrong summation x. See, so here this x bar is wrong value. Why? Because here instead of 180 they taken 180. Therefore here we got, in the problem we got wrong mean. So therefore here wrong x bar is 100. So this is equal to, here we need to find wrong summation x. Therefore I will write as it is, that is wrong summation x divided by small letter n. So here small letter n is 50. So see, next I will do cross multiply, that is 100 into 50 is equal to wrong summation x. So here 100 into 50 is 5000. This is equal to wrong summation x. So here wrong summation x is 5000. So here we got wrong summation x 5000 in step 1. Next, step 2 is find correct sum of the observation or correct summation x. So to find correct sum of the x, the formula is correct. We know that sum of the observation is denoted by summation x. So correct summation x is equal to wrong summation x or wrong sum of the observation plus correct value minus wrong value. So here correct sum of x is equal to wrong summation x. See here wrong summation x is 5000 plus correct value. Here correct value is 180 minus wrong value. See here wrong value is 100. So this is equal to 5000 plus 180 minus 100. That is 5080. So here correct summation x is, or correct sum of the observation is 5080. Then step 3 is, so find correct arithmetic mean. So here we need to find in the question, next we need to find correct arithmetic mean. In the step 3 we can find correct arithmetic mean. Okay, we know that arithmetic mean formula, that is x bar is equal to summation x divided by n's. So here we need to find correct arithmetic mean. Therefore this is equal to, what is summation x? Here summation x is 5080 divided by, what is small letter n? Here small letter n is 50. So this is equal to 5080 divided by 50, that is 101.66. So here correct arithmetic mean is 101.6. Okay, this is all about problems on corrected arithmetic mean. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.